Hey guys, 99% of iPhone users don't know that by just turning off 3 settings, their battery health won't decrease anymore. Let me show you how. First, go to your iPhone settings and scroll down, tap on Apps. Tap on App Store. Tap on and turn it off 4 options. After this, go back to your iPhone settings. Tap on General. Tap on again, Software Update. Tap on Automatic Updates. You can see after Turn It Off. Automatically install Turn It Off with the 3 options. Go back to Settings menu. Tap on Accessibility. Tap on again Display and Text Size. Scroll down, tap on and turn it off Auto Brightness. Method second, go back to Settings menu. And scroll down, tap on Privacy and Security. Tap on Location Services and turn it off. After this, go back, tap on Tracking and turn it off. That's it. And of course, I hope you enjoyed this short little video. Subscribe to our channel for more similar videos, and then we'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care.